sa pelikulang Love You So Bad! Of course, Reclay Cruz Aviar is in the house! Andito sila ngayon, Will Ashley, Bianca Di Vera, and Dustin Yu!
Wow! Narinig po namin sa backstage, sobrang masasalamat na po talaga sa Diyos. We are so happy, we are so grateful na mapabilang po ang Love You So Bad dito sa MMFF para sa taong po ito. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. At sana po ay magustuhan niyo po itong pelikulang ihahandog po namin para sa inyo dahil sure po ako na pinaghihirapan po talaga namin ito. Maraming salamat po.
Sobrang speechless ko ngayon. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. At gusto kong magpasalamat, of course, sa MMDA, sa MMFF, sa opportunity na binigay nyo. Grabe, pinagdasal namin tong lahat. As in, gusto namin mapasama ngayong yung movie namin sa Christmas. So maraming salamat at sana abangan niyo yung pelikulang ito dahil kagaya sa amin ni Will, pinaghirapan po namin to at bibigyan namin yung best namin. Salamat.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Honestly, this moment is so surreal to me. Parang kailan lang. Bata lang po talaga akong nangangarap. And now, my first movie together is going to be an MMFF. Kinikilig pa rin ako until now. So, unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Star Cinema Regal and GMA Pictures. Thank you so much for believing in us and sa pagtaya sa amin. Maraming salamat po. And of course, to Direk May, who has been so hands-on with each and every one of us since day one. And of course, sa MMDA, MMFF, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to showcase our love for Philippine cinema. Maraming salamat po and see you this Christmas!
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat ay good afternoon sa mga taga-University of Makati, sa mga nanonood online. At nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng bumubuo ng MMFF, sa MMDA, na nakasali kami sa MMFF. Let's fall in love this Christmas! Ready na ba kayo? Thank you again. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa direktor at cast members ng Love You So Bad. Ako may dalawa pa, Encho!
Malalaman natin kung pasok ba tayo sa dalawang to o
May
hindi.
dalawa pa!
And just to let everyone know, lahat kami, wala kaming alam kung sino pa ang makakasama sa last two.
Secret. Attorneys, go!
This film is a story of Celine, who seeks an annulment from her husband, Stephen, while fighting for custody of their daughters, and Ivan, who struggles to save his marriage with Maya and their son. Their paths cross at the law office of Attorney Jackie, a lawyer and YouTube host. Walang butas ang batas. Amid legal battles and chance encounters, Celine and Ivan form unexpected friendships that helps them heal and rediscover hope. As they grow close, the possibility of finding a new chance of love presents itself. The film is a drama movie directed by Jeffrey Hitorian, produced by Quantum's Film, Cinico Productions, with lead stars Angelica Panganiban and Sanjo Marudo, supporting stars Eugene Domingo, Selene Lisa, Donna Cariaga, Charmaine Bencamino, Kalat Karen, Adrian Bercara, Tom Rodriguez, Nico Antonio, Sak Sibug, and Brian Lee. The film is entitled Anne Mary.
Sa ako dyan!
po sa inyong lahat. This film was conceptualized way back in 2022. It took us 3 years to develop the story and get our writers to go around the courts and actually join hearings and trials for annulment cases. But this actually started some 38 years ago when I first handled my very first annulment case. This is a film that is inspired by all the cases that we've handled in the past 38 years, some celebrity cases and some ordinary people. And finally, it's come to life with Angelica Panganiban being her comeback film. It's also the comeback film of my director, Jeffrey Jaturian, together with a very great actor, Zanjo Marudo. They're supported by Tom Rodriguez. We have Solen Yusaf, there's Nico Antonio, and Miss Eugene Domingo. Together with, of course, Kalad Karet, in a very special role. We have with us also Shamaine Buencamino, Donna Cariaga, we have Brian C., Johnny Revilla, Mali Caimo, Raquel Villavicencio, and of course, Donna Cariaga and Adrian Vergara. And with a special participation of Angel Aquino and introducing Zach Sibo. Thank you very much to the MMFF for including us again this year. Maraming salamat po. Ang hindi iiyak sa pelikulang to, hindi pa umibig kahit kailan.
Yes! Palakpakan po natin the producer of Unmarried, Attorney Georgie Alonso, together with our production manager, Miss Patricia Sumagi, and line producer, and actress also.
Ay, ang galing ni Kalad Karen, no?
Kasama!
Di ba?
Parang masasama.
Tsaka parang kahit nag-host siya, may picture siya.
Oo, may picture siya.
Tapos tingnan mo, host na naman siya ngayon.
Kailangan natin
Multifaceted. Multifaceted.
Ito na last movie.
Last but not the least. This film is about 4 friends, Toran, Eric, Chris, and Josh, who 10 years after law school face big life struggles, burnout, heartbreak, and lost purpose. When they learn their former mentor, Justice Hernandez, is gravely ill, they reunite to care for her. Through this, they confront their life choices, they discover their ideas, and find new meaning as mentors to the next generation. A heartfelt story about friendship, integrity, and staying true to one's values. The film is a drama movie directed by Kip Benda, produced by 901 Studios, with lead stars Carlo Aquino, Rocco Nasino, Enzo Pineda, Kian Cipriano, and Odette Can. Supporting stars Sasa Girl, Therese Malvar, Liza Di Castro, Clarice Di Guzman, Will Ashley, and Benedict Ramos. The film is entitled Bar Boys After School.
Manong?
What about Daddy?
Josh is fine.
Okay,
Excuse me. Sorry si Storm mo. Paano magpapil?
Ganda na itsura ni Joshua.
Sabi ko lang ngayon, iba na ginagawa pa pala.
Thank you.
Sana naman nakakahayaan.
po ng Bar Boys After School.
Hello. First of all, I'd like everyone involved, to thank everybody involved in this movie. So, first movie namin to ng 901 Studios. Kakabuo pa lang namin ng film company namin this year pa lang, start of the year. And it's incredible na yung first feature movie namin, full-length movie namin makakapasok sa MMFF. So, parang di namin na-expect to, pero since the beginning of the year, umaasa na kami dito. I'd like to thank also Direk Kip for accepting our proposal para kami mag-produce ng beautiful na movie niya. At ito, masasabi ko tungkol sa movie na to, like, it's a cross-generational movie. Kahit yung paggawa ng movie na to, from the production team, cross-generations, ang dami namin veterans at ang daming mga bugan, na katulad ng movie na to is like, yun nga, it's dedicated to the mentors. Masasabi ko is like, I would say is like, marami tayong problems sa buhay natin at marami tayong nakukuhang tulong galing sa ating mga mentors, sa ating mga magulang. At may mga bagay na mga problema sa ating buhay at kahit sa ating lipunan na hindi lang kaya ng isang lifetime. Kaya kailangan natin i-pass yung torch sa mga mas nakababata at bigyan rin yung education at knowledge at experience na nagagawa natin. Aside from that, dedicated din to sa mga tahimik na lumalaban para sa makamit ng isang mas patas na lipunan. Inayayaan ko po yung lahat manood ng movie na to. Maraming tao, maraming iyakan. Bukod sa lahat, maraming kasiyahan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you lang sa lahat ng mga chosen families din natin.
Yes.
Sa barkada, sa family, sa totoo at hindi. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you, MMFF. Thank you, everyone na may kinalaman sa film. Malaman kayo lahat.
Yes. Maraming salamat, Yuma!
Photo op for the 4 new entries for MMFF 51.
Yay! Congratulations again. Love you so bad. I'm perfect. Unmarried. At yung kaka-announce lang na Bar Boys After School.
May we call on all 8 films official movie entries for MMFF 51 to go on stage and have a photo with everyone.
Yay! Congratulations sa inyong lahat.